What's up, cunts? This is the Prickos, and this is the first send of the century.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
No, you do one bit there.
Put the torch around here, Angus. See here. Put your head down, please.
You can't see shit.
Fingers down.
Oopsie daisies. This is a rush.
That's fair.
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest now.
Don't tell anyone I did this.
Why?
No, it's not bad, but it's just like a real high taper. Hey, my guards.
Yeah, say George. Why don't you just turn this into an actual...
George, bro. You did him.
It's like a
I got a call from some lady saying, have you been bullying my daughter? Jackson told me that. I was like, no way, it was Oscar's mum. Imagine.
What's your mum's name?
Polly Karen.
I know.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Ratchet.
She's hold on.
No.
Whoops.
No way, I'm out and saying.
Hey, can I hold the
Why does she have short
She
hair
does
now?
not look like a Karen.
Emo, she went off the tracks.
Do you like her?
Do I like my mum?
No,
she's
okay.
a hater.
She's a bitch.
She's a dog.
Hey, this is going on YouTube and she'll probably watch it. What do you got to say?
Love you, mum.
Tee-hee. He's joking, Karen. No, tee-hee.
Free the man.
I always check these.
Imagine that. Imagine having two moonlights. Jackson's probably cut.
Wait, no, give me the GoPro and make it record.
No.
So guys, this is our first video, so you don't know any of our names, alright? What's up, cunts?
Hello, guys. I'm Oscar Roberts. Alright, what's up, guys?
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the mid beside him now, living my life, getting out dreams, people told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back, if I fall, if I die, know I lived it to the fullest. If I fall, if I die, know I lived in missing bullets. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything will shine, ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness.
Whoa, is that marshmallow?
Hey, that's my bag.
That is not marshmallow. I'm kidding, cunt. Oh my god. I'm kidding, cunt.
I can sell that seat.
Alright, can you go?
Is that my bag?
Yes,
That's
Jackson,
too, mate. That one's too small for my bum.
gasoline
Can you go sit on that one?
Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
Five-starter.
I appreciate that, mate.
Smell legit though. What does it smell like?
Oscar, got anything to say?
Hello, vlog.
Okay, May's disappeared. She had a little rage.
Fuck, what was that?
I don't know.
Does she do that a lot?
Yeah, she does.
Bro, my sister does that too, and she's not even disabled.
I think my sister is disabled.
My patty's just fat.
You're petty.
Yeah.
Is that your brother?
That's my bro.
That's my brother.
Oh, toasty.
I'll just find it.
Oi, George, you know how to play fire? Yeah.
Oh, of course, Angus is the first one to get his...
They're probably right there, you know.
Good boy, fire.
What are you doing?
Hunter, stop.
It's like Finding Nemo.
You literally just go like
What do you
that.
mean?
When he goes through the hot water.
The fire. The
Oh, yeah.
wood's not actually on fire.
Oh, just stomp on it.
Yeah, check.
George, $10 if you stomp on it.
Actuals?
Yeah.
No,
When are y'all doing?
no.
We'll put it out, man.
Hey, $2. Right
Fuck, bro. George,
Rest in peace to your balls.
George, you're such a faggot.
Hunter goes so.
He's so fat. And fuck. No! Oh my god! That shit landed on my eye.
No, can I have it? No, I can have it. Good morning, guys. I'm here with Finley Brennistrom, Milbanks Murray.
Hi vlog.
We're here with Oscar Roberts. We're here with Melson Hill, Jackson, and we've got George on the skateboard.
George, do a quick POV.
I won't drop it, trust.
Guys, gotta get the head mount.
Point of view. Alright. Ready?
Hey, that's fucking terrifying.
And crush my girlfriend.
POV.
Go on, George.
If I
George.
believe
Okay, we're starting the waterside build. How do you feel about it? Are you excited?
Okay.
Oh, true. George, are you excited about the waterside?
I'm very excited. I'm
Why?
so stoked for this. So stoked, boys.
Are you excited for
We're
the waterside?
psyching right now.
Psyching out of
How
it.
about
Psych
you?
count. What's a psych count?
I'm happy.
I got some more.
Just keep cooking. Good looking. That doesn't even look like 15 minutes, but then it is. That's crazy.
What the fuck?
Take a bag.
Well, we couldn't use the quad bike to take all the shit up, but we're using going by hand now. The sheep are trying to chase us. The fucking sheep. So we don't got a quad bike to take the shit up. It's all good. We got the power God gave us. Our hands.
How you doing, mate?
Oh, there's a ram.
Do you know? Oh,
Listen.
Come up, find it.
It's trying to ram.
ah! Yeah.
Oh shit. Come come over here. Just jump the gate.
It was shitting.
George. Start from Start from here.
This is so dangerous.
See how far it is from here.
I think we're gonna die.
George. From here.
Hey,
So
George.
guys, what's up, Nelly? So guys, these are our donuts. We got some more boards that we're gonna go get soon. Bro, this is gonna be insane. Fuck. Got our laundry detergent. Where's the other ones? Oh, flip nose. But yeah.
I see, or just don't. That's what I'm scared is gonna happen. I think we're gonna come off it. No, bro, my finger. Wait, holy fuck. No. There's a grasshopper.
What's up, bitch?
Oh, just popped away.
Just like my dad.
Alright, so this is gonna be pretty gnarly, I guess. Got a risk it for the chocolate biscuit. Got anything to say, George?
We're gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit.
That was very original.
There was some good words of advice.
Family guys. Here's the last one. Right there. Nothing major. Starting to rain. Jetho left for cricket. What a pain.
Blake's got COVID-19.
Cricket.
There's a cricket.
Are there any more pigs?
Far out, I'm gonna go insane. Man, when it's Christmas time, I want a candy cane. Man, look at the grasshopper. It's hopping. There's so many. I feel like my brain's popping.
Look, it's just different sizes.
Can you see it? Oh, it just jumped off. Now we gotta walk all to the top.
The entire video is just us filming random stuff.
Yeah.
There's nothing good in it.
I was filming good.
No, it's all good.
Hello, camera.
Good ass stuff. So as soon as it's off.
Show the camera how slippery this is right now.
Got
Holy.
slippery. Oh, it just turned off.
No, just
We're back
save
and
the battery.
George is still there. We got 52%. And then we got the other guys. Probably got Papa Jacks up there somewhere. And we got Oscar working hard.
Angus, get it.
Nah, I'm cameraman. Oh, the water's coming down, so is the bucket. And we got water. We're wetting the water slide. Aren't we, George?
Put the GoPro down. You're gonna record the ground.
I'm not, I'm recording myself. We're doing a human chain now. When we pass the buckets of water up along here, and then we eventually get up there, and then we pour the water down. But here we go.
George is recording. Hey, what is up, Pico fans and followers? Don't know what they're laughing about. Stop the clip now. Alright, so start it back up. And then
Sub and like, maybe?
subscribe and hit the like button, and here's our epic edit, alright?
Okay.
What's up, cunts? This is the Pricos, and this is the first send of the century.
This active, by the way, I promise. Oh, God. Okay, my money way longer than a NASCAR race. I told her keep going on the gas for the brakes. Only here for one night, let me put it on your back.
Holy fuck! No! Holy fuck! I skipped for so long.
Bro, look at Oscar's fucking arm.
What does that shit even look like? Holy.
So we had some minor difficulties. The slide's being moved right now. The boys are moving the slide.
Alright guys, what's up? It's me, George O'Sullivan. And fuck, we're remodeling the slide because it was too gnarly. We sent it a bit, like it was just too gnarly, mate. Push it. Huh?
Nothing that's too gnarly.
Yeah, hard. I reckon we could have like
We just didn't want to fucking
die, yeah. Look what happened to my...
more gnarly.
Yeah, bro. Everything's just sore at the moment. Hey, where'd my croc come from?
Oh, that was me. We just have to move the whole thing.
Yeah. You have to keep unpigging it. I'll come up. How's the slide going, George?
Good as gold. Fingers broken, ribs broken, legs broken, balls broken. Go Nelson, quick!
Subscribe to fucking Rico TV! Oh my god! Whoa!
Thoughts on the slide?
It's good.